And this is the director's view. Here on the corner, there's the preview window showing what's happening inside the virtual studio. And here on the right-hand side, there's the control panel for video inputs, such as screen sharing or the host. And you can adjust the volume and other little things in here. And here on the left side, there's the camera controls. Virtual cameras have been placed inside the studio to capture different angles. Like here we have camera number 1, number 2 a little bit different, and then number 3 and so on. And I want to explain 2 different use case scenarios. So the first scenario involves the host presenting either alone or interviewing a guest, while a dedicated director manages the show and controls the cameras here. And that can be done from anywhere in the world. And in this setup, the host can focus on the presentation while the director handles the camera switching. And the second scenario is when there's only one person who takes on the roles of the host, director, and screen sharer or interviewer. So for this scenario, automatic camera switching can be used, which is controlled from here. So let me demonstrate how this works. So I'll click this button here to start the automation. Now the camera automation has started, allowing me to focus on the presentation itself and on my message. And when the automation enabled, the camera switch automatically as I speak and navigate through the slides or my talk. And for example, if I want to focus on the slides, I can switch to this camera over here to show a full screen slide. And once I'm done with the slides, I can simply restart the camera automation. So having the automation allows me to focus entirely on my content without worrying about the camera switching at all.